This aircraft weighs in at barely 107 pounds. It's the most high-performance aerobatic biplane in the world today. Completing the Hui loop, Sean brings it back around. There's no center. And while accumulating that 300 hours of flight, cover more than 25,000 miles of distance. This aircraft has been flying for less than 3 months, and already it has accumulated more than 110. Back into the aerobatic box. This is the Holy Hotfire 2.0, up on the 45 knife edge flight. And now watch closely. An attempt to slice all three of those rhythms in one single pass in 3 separate flight attitudes. But first, the torque roll. This maneuver was used in 1972 by Mr. Charlie Hiller to win for the United States the World Aerobatic Championship Trophy. In reverse, Sean flies this aircraft tail first, negative airspeeds in excess of 100 miles an hour. Once through his critical altitude, the throttle comes back, the nose falls down, and the smoke is smallest outside loop. He is then going to pull it back to level flight, reposition, right into the show line, and show you what we call now. He's going to bring this aircraft around in the alley-oop. Stopping now, Sean is going to maintain that beautiful straight and level flight, but only for a minute. Now this is the perfectly flat or rudder-only turn. Wings perfectly level with the horizon as he continues to make a 360-degree turn while losing precisely 300 feet. 15 miles an hour, 18 feet above the ground, right through ribbon number 1. Let's wrap to a hover in front of you. Ladies and gentlemen, showing you why he is considered to be one of the very best of all time. Put your hands together one final time for John D. Tucker and his all-new Oracle